Hey there, Redshifters here with a quick tutorial for how to install your ND filters to your GoPod 6.7 or your GoPod 8. As you can see here, we have both models and they both support the same type of ND filters. You will be needing a Mavic 2 zoom threaded ND filter. And the best way to install them is to gently align your ND filter right onto the threads as straight as possible. And as you apply pressure, you start to twist it clockwise until it stops. And if you miss a thread, no worries. All you have to do is gently pop it the rest of the way if need be. Same method goes for the GoPod 8 here. Happy flying.